Hi everybody, Marco Carbajo here from businesscreditbuilders.org. Today's video we're going to talk about a brand new business Net 30 account that you can get for your company. So whether you're a startup or existing business, this is a Net 30 account you can get right away. It's an easy approval one that requires no personal credit check, no personal guarantee, and reports to Experian Business. So let's get started. First and foremost, I want to talk to you about the benefits of getting a Net 30 account. What is a Net 30 account? That's where a company, a vendor, or supplier is willing to extend credit to your business for Net 30 terms. And what that means is you can buy products and services your company needs on credit, and then your invoice is due in a 30-day time period. So that's interest-free money. It allows you to conserve your cash flow, and that's what a Net 30 account is. But also, a benefit is choosing a Net 30 account that also helps you build business credit for your company. So this particular new Net 30 business account does report to Experian Business. Like I said, getting a Net 30 account, it's interest-free. It helps you conserve cash flow. You help build business credit, but also this helps you protect your personal credit and limits your personal liability because there's no credit check and there's no personal guarantee. Now, the other thing I want to talk about is what type of Net 30 account should you get as a startup or existing business. So you already may be having relationships with suppliers and vendors or paying your utility bills, etc. So some things that you need as a business owner are day-to-day things that you can help you build business credit. So if you're buying things like your signage for your business with a company, like let's say you're going to a regular office supply company, but it's not helping you build business credit. You're just paying it with a credit card, or you're paying with cash or a check. That activity is not helping you build business credit. So if you have a vendor, which we have one today, that provides signage, you could buy your signage there on credit, and they report to Experian Business. Other things like electrical or lighting supplies or safety and cleaning supplies for your company, these are things that you probably purchase already on a regular basis. You have a brick and mortar location, or you have a virtual office, you're working from home. Obviously, there's break room supplies like snacks and things that you have in your break rooms, maybe for your employees, or your regular office supplies like your paper products, shipping products, and then you have electronics. So these are all things that you need to purchase as a business. So with this particular supplier we're going to share with you is they provide all these things, and you can get a Net 30 account, buy it, and build business credit. So this particular brand new Net 30 business account is offered by a company called Dash Office Supply. So you can go to net30supply.com. Don't go there yet. I'm going to go over how to set up your account, how to activate your credit line. This is what I call one of the easy approval Net 30 accounts, because this is basically guaranteed approval. The requirements are so easy that you're basically guaranteed approval, and they issue you up to $1,000 credit limit. That's the minimum. Okay, so this is credit you can use. This $1,000 is literally like a credit card for this company. You're not getting a credit card, obviously. It's a line of credit that you can buy up to $1,000 worth of products and services from this supplier. But think about that. That's credit. There's no personal credit check, no personal guarantee. You could be a brand new startup, and you have to pay your invoice within 30 days. And they report to Experian Business. So remember, when it comes to applying for certain types of corporate cards, business credit cards, or you're applying for, let's say, a vehicle business loan, many companies will run an Experian Business credit check. So if you don't have an Experian credit file for your business established, this will establish a credit file for you. This is one trade line that's going to be reporting. Obviously, you need to build more trade lines on your Experian report, but this will at least create that file and help you with one particular trade line reporting on Experian Business. Let's talk about the highlights of this particular office supply. I understand there's other Net 30 suppliers out there that offer office products. This is just another one, but what's unique about this is their pricing. So you could go anywhere to buy office supplies. I understand that, and you're going to pay regular retail. Even some office companies out there, they offer products at a higher price than you can get like on Amazon or etc. like that. With this particular company, you'll notice that their pricing is below retail, so you're actually saving money. The minimum that you'll save is 15%. Some are even higher savings than that by buying products, your office products from this particular supplier, which I think is really unique, because not only are you getting a Net 30 account, but you're actually saving money buying your office supplies. They have a great selection of products, and every single month they're bringing new products in. So it's a revolving type of product selection. It's not just dormant and this is all they offer. They're always coming in with new products, which is exciting. The other thing is shipping. They offer free shipping on orders over $75. So when you're purchasing your products that you need for your company from them, you could save on shipping. And the business credit reporting, I think, is really cool because some vendors out there you can get credit with, but they report your invoices, your payment activity every quarter or every 6 months. They report every single month. This is active credit reporting going to Experian. And there's no long-term obligation. Okay, so they do have a monthly subscription, monthly membership, but you can cancel that anytime if you don't want to buy any more products and services from the supplier, but there's no long-term contracts or anything like that you need to worry about. The other thing is, let's talk about requirements. What actually do you need to get approved for a $1,000 credit limit with this Net30 vendor? First, you need to provide a company name, very simple, your business structure. And what's unique is you don't have to be an LLC or corporation. You can also be a sole proprietorship. All right, now remember, we talk about incorporating, becoming an LLC or a corporation because of liability protection. You're creating a separate legal entity from yourself. But if you're adamant of being a sole proprietorship, that's fine. You could still get a Net30 account as a sole proprietorship. Now, your business address is another thing you're going to need to provide on the application, and your contact details like your obviously name, contact phone number, email address, just basic information, really simple. The date of formation, when you formed your company, and you need to provide your EIN number or your social security number if you're operating as a sole proprietorship. Now, what they do as far as their approval process, their requirements, is all they're going to do is they're going to verify your entity, your formation, your company. And one of the easiest ways they do that is literally just go to the Secretary of State where you're incorporated in. They verify your company is active with the Secretary of State, and your company information there is accurate and matches the application. Okay, that's how simple it is. They don't do anything else other than that. In some cases, they may run an Experian business credit check if they can't find you via your Secretary of State. But that's how simple the verification is and getting an instant approval, which is really, really simple. And what I love about this company is they're fast. You don't have to wait days or weeks to know if you're approved. Literally within a day, you're going to know if you're approved. So it's really, really quick as far as the approval process goes. So what I'd like to do first is go to the website before I go into what to expect once you apply, is where do you go to apply. So when you go to net30supply.com, this is going to take you right to their website here. You'll see there's some of the products here. There's a whole bunch of products. But to apply, you're going to click this link right here. It says apply for a no PG business Net30. So you're going to click on that, and this goes over the terms, $1,000 Net30 terms, the credit reporting, and I'll get into the fees in a second as far as they have an application fee, but they only have you pay that once you're approved. So that's what's another thing I really like about that, is you can apply for this Net30 account, and only when you're approved do they send you an invoice to pay for their application fee, which is really, really minimal. I think it's $39.99, but that's what's great. You don't have to pay for the application fee and whether or not you're declined or approved. You only pay when you're approved. But this is a simple business credit application right here to fill out. Once you submit this application, let me walk you through now the approval process. So let's say you completed the application, you click submit. Now what's going to happen is they're going to verify your company, which is very simple. Like I said, Secretary of State, make sure you're active. Once they verify your company, then they're going to send you an approval email. All right, to the email obviously you provided, and the approval email is going to provide you the credit limit you're approved for. Minimum it's going to be is $1,000. Now remember, this credit limit you can use to buy any of those products and services available on their website. Okay, up to $1,000. There's no minimum or there's no a threshold. It's $1,000 actual credit limit that you can use. Now, the second email you're going to get is going to be a welcome email from them, which will give you login details to log into Dash Office Supplies so you can start going shopping, so you can buy your products and services on credit. But the third thing is, before you can actually use your credit limit, you'll get the login email, but you have to pay your application fee and invoice. So they're going to send you another email, which is going to be your actual invoice, okay, from Stripe. So this invoice, the total for this first time only invoice will be $52.98, because they're going to charge you a one-time fee of $39.99. That's your application fee. And they're also going to charge the first month's membership, which is $12.99. Now remember, their membership is $12.99 every single month as long as you want to keep your credit line active. Is $12.99 a month. Now this $12.99 a month does not report to Experian Business. What does report to Experian Business is your purchases. So using your credit line, buying your products and services, and they will give you a discount if you pay your invoice early, which is really cool. But when you make your purchases, those are what's reported to Experian Business, okay? So remember, $39.99 is just a one-time app fee once you're approved, plus $12.99. So your first invoice will be $52.98. And then they charge a monthly membership fee of $12.99, and you can cancel that anytime if you don't want to use your credit line anymore. All right, so you could apply at net30supply.com, and that'll take you to the website, which I just showed you, and walk you through that process. So this is a brand new Net30 business account that you can get. I love it because, yes, they give you discounts on the products and services you're paying below retail. Also, it reports to Experian Business, and this is an easy approval Net30 vendor. All right, so it's literally guaranteed approval for you to start building up business credit. And this is just one of the many vendors that we talked about on these videos. Now, if you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, and please click subscribe. That way you're notified every single time we come out with a new video where we're sharing, whether it's business funding products, business credit cards that came out, strategies to build business credit, new Net30 accounts like we're talking about here. We get asked a lot is, well, what do you guys offer? What services do you offer? Well, I want to break down real quick is we do have two main services. We have our do-it-yourself business credit building system. So if you go to our website, businesscreditbuilders.org, you'll see here's our website. If you click on Business Credit Building System, this will explain to you our step-by-step business credit building system. So if you're looking to learn step-by-step, you're looking for more access to vendors, suppliers, and strategies to build business credit, our system provides you an entire array of all those strategies, all those different types of vendors, secured cards, business credit cards, funding products within our business credit building system. The other service we offer is done for you funding. That's where we actually do the funding acquisition for you. So the first step with that is a pre-qualification process, which you click pre-qualify here. And this is a pre-qualification form that you fill out on our website. And we can do a review to see what type of funding we can acquire for you to help you build business credit, which one of our popular ones is business credit card funding. But we also do business loan acquisition, lines of credit. We also do multiple funding products combined together to give you maximum funding. So that's the different options that we offer as a company. With that, I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll talk to you soon, and make it a great day.